Good morning, friends and family. Our first card is the wheel from the archangels, and they say new beginnings, end of delays, a change in direction that offers happiness. They want us to trust ourselves more. Know that you are in the right place at the right time. Opportunities will present themselves to you when they are meant to, all in divine timing. Get excited about the future instead of fearing it. You must start seeing the bigger picture and believing in yourself. Sincere wishes are going to be granted, and they want you to not be afraid to talk up, shine your light. The Archangel Raphael says everything happens for a reason. Release regress, embrace opportunities for happiness, and search for the silver lining. Find ways to fill your cup. Follow your heart and always trust your intuition. Go deep within. Find your triggers and address them one by one. Self healing is the best healing. Only then can you offer the best version of yourself. Your guardian angels are always with you, and they say you are achieving success. Now is your lucky time, so slow down and celebrate yourself for a change. They say that you are rekindling relationships and you're doing the right thing because you guys are kindred spirits, and don't give up on those that you love. They're also talking about the love you have for your parents and that your parents have for you. That is an everlasting love that stays with you forever, no matter what. And they say if there was troubles in the past, it's time now to heal the past, to bring healing into the present. And connect to that energy of love within you. That's who you really are. Be loyal to what you love, everyone and everything. And they want you to know that Spirit has your back. You must be the peace and harmony in your relationships. And they want you to know that your loved ones want you to know that you must become the true you. Show the world who you really are and what you were born to do. And they say, stand up for yourself. Have a lovely Sunday, everybody. Love you all.